What's up, guys? Mikkel Bennett here, aka the Credit Bull, and I'm here today to share some more credit testimonials, some more results from one of my clients, right? A lot of people, especially on YouTube, be saying like, the credit repair people, they don't have a lot of before and afters. Well, like I said, I'm bringing the before and afters, right? This client is only his second month with us, right? And let me just go over a little bit. I'm not going to move myself out because I know y'all want to see me. I'm not going to move myself out of the screen too far, right? But what we're going to do is we're going to look at some of these results. Let me move this joint real quick. All right, bet. On the left-hand side over here is the old one. Obviously, if you can read old. And then over here is the latest, right? Now, this is a video that was sent to me from one of my assistants at the Credit Bull to let me know what's going on with our client. So I was able to give him a call, and we was chopping it up. He's going crazy. So, all right, look. So let's see the results of what happened in the last month, right? Not even going back 60 days, just 30 days ago. So he had 11 delinquents. He currently now has 0 and 5. So he got 6 removed here. Okay, remember that. As far as derogatory accounts, he had 12, 6, and 13. He now has 6, 1, and 1. So that could be collections. I'm sorry, that could be, well, it can be collections. It can be collections, charge-offs, repos, all of that stuff, right? And we actually got a repo removed for somebody else last week. As far as collections, he had 1 left on Equifax, and we were able to get that other collection removed, okay? As far as his inquiries, nothing happened with the inquiries. But this is just to show you the type of results that you can get with the Credit Bull. Now, this isn't, for everybody, but most people see nice results. Like, most people see nice results. I'm not going to say everybody sees crazy results. Most people see nice results. Everybody's satisfied. That's one thing I can say. Everybody's satisfied. So, if you're looking for a way to fix up your credit, I have 2 options. I have a Credit Essentials bundle, which is on sale right now for, I believe, $47. You can get that. That's going to teach you the fundamentals of credit. It's going to teach you how to repair credit, and then it's going to teach you how to build credit, because after you repair it and you remove negative accounts, like we just removed over 40 negative accounts for this client, he's going to need to start adding some new accounts on there, getting more positive on-time payments, and establishing and growing back his age on his credit report. So you're going to learn all of that stuff inside of the Credit Essentials bundle. You can click the link and get access to that. But if you're looking for a done-for-you service, you're looking for a company to do your credit for you and repair it for you, we can do that for you, but you must schedule your free consultation where we can look over everything for you and see if we're a good fit for you, because I'm not going to take on everybody. I don't need everybody. I want to be able to help everybody, but you have to be a qualified client as well, and you have to make sure that you have all of your documents and everything intact. So credit repair is $1,000. After December 31st, it's going to be $1,500. So if you're interested in that, go ahead and schedule a free consultation. We'll take care of you. And there's plenty of different perks that come along with our credit repair program. It's not like any other credit repair program. I built this company out super, super unique and geared towards helping the consumer. So if you become a client with us, not only are we going to work on your credit, all that credit education and stuff that you need, you're going to get access to that times 2. Even more than people in the Credit Essentials bundle. So whichever option you decide to choose, just know that these are the kind of results that I'm getting. So if you want us to do it for you, this is the kind of things that we're doing for people. If you want to learn how to do this for yourself, these are the kind of things that you're going to be able to learn to do for yourself. So, guys, that's really it with this one, guys. Mikkel Bennett signing out.